Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. And if we observe the chart carefully, then we can easily see that things have not changed much in the chart. Euro USD is still in a downward channel with a resistance above and a support at the down, and most importantly there is not much volatility in the market. If you look at the chart carefully, then you can easily see that right now Euro USD is trading in a very narrow channel. In fact, Pound USD, GBP USD is also trading in a downward channel like Euro USD. But the main difference is that Euro USD is trading in a very narrow channel here. If you look at the channel, then you can easily see that hardly there is space for the market to give you some good moves in the market. Okay. Therefore, whenever you will find market trading in a narrow channel, then you do not find any good movement in the market. If we go to the Forex volatility calculator here, you'll find the Forex volatility calculator on my website, and the Forex volatility calculator will help you to determine how much volatility or how much movement you can expect on a chart. Right now in this present chart of Euro USD, you can expect 4.8 pips movement in the 5 minutes chart. In the 30 minutes chart you can expect 17 pips movement. In the 4-hour chart you can expect only 15 pips movement, and in the daily chart you can hardly expect a movement of 32 pips. Therefore you can clearly see on the chart that there is hardly good movement on the chart of Euro USD. Rather, Euro USD is kinda flat, okay, dull here. Not flat, I will not say flat, actually the market is quite dull here. Okay. And the most important level in this chart is this level, 1.1712. This is the support from the weekly chart. Though right now market is trading in a channel and this is a dynamic support for the market, but we have this 1.1712 from the weekly chart. And as we all know, the support and resistance levels from the weekly chart are extremely important for the market, because those levels are of the big boys, the big players. So right now if you are looking for some quick profit, okay, if you're looking for some quick profit opportunity, then what you can do is that you can just short the market at the resistance. If you see market reversing from the resistance, okay, you can short the market at the resistance. If market comes down, you can short the market. On the other hand, if you find market taking support and going up from here, then you can also go for buy order. But my dear friend, I'll again tell you that do not expect much volatility here, because I have shown you the volatility calculator as well. And if you are looking for a big move or bigger moves here, then you need to wait for the market to come down to the support level so that you can get a good move. Because considering the present movement of the market, there is a possibility that market will be bouncing from this particular level. In case there would have been a severe or high selling pressure on the market, then I could have told you that, my dear friend, do not rely on this support level, because selling pressure is too high. But in this market, though market is trading in a downward channel here, though the market seems to be in a downtrend, but still the selling pressure is not very high. Try to understand the market psychology here. Okay. If there are 100 traders present in the market, then ratio will be around 60-40, not 80-20. Generally, whenever you see heavy selling pressure in the market, then the ratio is around 80-20. But in this market, we can expect that if buyers are 40, then sellers are only 60. There is not a huge difference between the buyers and sellers. Therefore, you can expect a good jump from this weekly support level. If you do not have these lines drawn in your charting platform, then I'll request you to draw this line so that you can understand the chart better, so that you can trade better and analyze the market better. Apart from these levels, you also need to watch the Forex sentiment meter. Okay, again, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website as well, avilashajarika.com under Forex 101 section. And if you're looking for funding, okay, then you can also check out this option, instant funding for Forex traders. Okay, you need to click on the no more option, then you'll get the all the information. Anyways, this is the Forex sentiment meter. You can see that 38% traders have taken short position and 61% traders have taken long position. And I would like to remind you one more thing, that this sentiment meter tells you the sentiment of the retail traders. Okay, so 38% retail traders have taken short position and 68% retail traders have taken long position. Okay. And as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money in the market. Okay. And right now I'm telling you that you should go for buy or long position at this level. See, I'm telling you that you should go for buy or you should go for long position when market will bounce from this level. And they have already taken long position in this downtrend market. There is a huge difference. There is a huge difference. They have already taken long position and they are in loss right now. Okay. So do not do the same mistake again. Wait for the market to come down to the support level. When it will bounce, then only go for long position. Do not make the same mistake like the other retail traders, otherwise you will also lose your hard-earned money. And the most important thing that we need to focus here is the chart of US dollar. Okay. Right now you can see that dollar is coming down, that's why you are seeing some movement or upward movement in the Euro USD chart. Generally, whenever dollar goes up, euro and pound goes down. And as we all know, US dollar is very bullish and will remain bullish until and unless it reaches this level, 93.35 to 93.40 level. And you can clearly see on the chart that US dollar is going upward in a good manner, taking support from this trend line. Hopefully again it will be taking support at the trend line and go up. And if it starts going up again, or if it bounces from the trend line again, then you will see some selling pressure or selling in the Euro USD as well. So again, coming back to the chart of Euro USD, okay, if you're confused, okay, if you're looking for quick profit, you can short the market here and buy here. And if you're looking for a good profit or good movement in the market, then hopefully market will take support and bounce. Okay, I'll just request you to mark this level on your chart and wait for the market to come down to this level 1.1712. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you again.